So if your bike is equipped with lots of luggage like this one, you probably don't need to watch this video. But if you are planning on going on tour, if you want to carry stuff on your bike, I've just visited the Shad factory and checked out a lot of their gear. This video will explain a lot about luggage for you. We're at Shad, just outside Barcelona in Spain, where they manufacture lots and lots of different luggage for motorcycles. Shad makes luggage in all sorts of shapes, sizes and styles to suit lots of different styles of motorbike. The company also manufactures a lot of the luggage you'll find that comes standard on a lot of touring bikes and other machines that have got panniers or top boxes on them. Shad's parent company, NAD, was commenced in 1973 when Jaume Gascoigne, and I hope I pronounced that name correctly, began manufacturing seats for the local motorcycle industry, including Derby, Montesa and Vespa. These days, the founder is still involved heavily in the company, but his children are the main people running the organisation. With 400 employees and distribution worldwide, it's a fairly large organisation manufacturing a huge range of products. From the standard sort of top boxes to these elements of the expandable boxes, there's a lot to see in the Shad factory. Back in the showroom, I was able to go through and have a good look at lots of different luggage that they produce. This is one of their most popular. It's the expandable line of top cases and panniers. This locks onto the bike. You've got a key here. You use the key to unlock it and take it off the bike. Or if it's not locked, fully locked, it's still closed and stays on the bike, but you can pop that open, then you can open the case itself. Now, the expansion on this is one of the unique features of it. So it pivots from the edge. So you've got two little red handles, you pop those handles and up she comes. So that's the fully expanded setting. And so it's quite a bit higher at the front here, holds quite a lot more luggage. Expandable side cases. I'm really excited about these because I love a narrow case when I'm riding a bike. I love to have lots of capacity when I need it. So these ones, again, locked on the bike. You can't press this in, you can't take it off the bike. Turn it to the unlock position here, and you can then press that down, key in or key out, and unlock the pannier to open it. And you lift that up and she opens up. Inside is a net. Now this net not only has a little bag inside it for little small things, but when it's on the bike and hooked up, you don't have as much stuff trying to fall out as a lot of panniers. So it's a great idea. In here, you've got these red toggles. Pull these down and this one up here. So there's three, and then the bag will expand out. So you need to come around and get both sides, expand it out, pull it right out to the edge, pop those two back up, close that down, and you've expanded it out, and you've got a lot more luggage space for that longer ride or that tour. For the adventure bike riders, this is the Shad 40 TR, and not only is it a soft bag for adventure riding, and we all know that if you're falling over in the bush, you don't want hard cases, you want soft ones, but unlike anything else I've ever seen, these actually are locked onto the bike and locked shut. So with this key, you can lock it up. They've got these aluminium plates here that lock into the frame so that you can't actually open it up without the key. And there's a cover for the key here as well, so that you can't actually just steal everything straight off the bike. I think that's a really, really great idea. And yeah, I think that's fantastic. The top case also locks to the bike, but it doesn't. You can still open it without a key. There's loops on the side of the bag to attach more, and this one is even space for a bottle. So this is one of Shad's click system tank bags, but unlike most tank bags, it's actually lockable. So there's a key here, and to get into the bag, there's combination locks here. So if you're just going for a casual ride and you're not concerned about security, you can just leave those undone so you can just get into it. But if you want to, you can do it up if you want to walk away from the bike. It's the click system, so it basically mounts to a ring that goes around your fuel filler, and you just click it straight on. To take it off the bike, you press this button in, but of course the key must be in the unlock position before you do. And there's a handle and loops here for a shoulder strap as well. So a really convenient way to carry a little bit of gear, and particularly good for carrying anything that's a little bit valuable, like a camera, your GPS unit, things like that.